Can you solve this problem here? This is a logarithmic equation versus exponential equation, and this question is brought by one of my followers, and you have the question here. So the questions are two, so I will be solving one today, then I will solve the other one in the next video. I would like you to be with me and see how we are going to solve this beautiful problem. Now here I have 2 to the power of log s plus 1 equals 16 to the power of log s minus 1. So how are we going to do? So now here, let's first of all deal with this basis. So now we have base 2 and we have base 16 here. So now let's try to translate this 16 into what? Into the base of 2. And that's going to be 2 to the power of log x plus 1 equals. Now this 16 can be written as 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. So when you multiply this together, must give us 16. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 4, okay, then log x minus 1. So now the next thing we're going to do here is that you can see this is the power, and we have the power to be all of this again. So from the law of indices, I say when you have a to the power of b, okay, then to the power of c, this b will multiply the c. We're going to have a to the power of bc. So we're going to use the same idea here. I'll be taking my time so that the person that send this will be saying this, and at the same time, you that you are also watching, you'll be able to understand better. So 2 log x plus 1 equals, now 2, this 4 we have to multiply this. So 4 times log x, we're going to have 4 log x, then 4 times minus 1, we're going to have minus 4. So we can see now the bases are the same. And if you have the basis the same in exponential equation, so this implies that log x plus 1 must be equal to this 4 log x minus 4. So therefore, we equated the exponents. So now from here, what's the next thing we're going to do? So now what we are going to do now is that let's do transposition, okay? So we are going to transpose this minus 4 to the other side, and I transpose this log x to the other side. So we're going to be having 1 plus 4 equals, then we have 4 log x, then let's transpose this to this side. We're going to have log x. Are you following? Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Consider following our Facebook page if you are watching for the first time. All right, so that you can see more of our amazing classes. So let's continue. So now from here, so we can see that we're going to have this to be what? 5 equals, then we're going to have 4 log x minus this. So this is going to be, there is 1 here. I have 1 here, but the 1 is hidden. So therefore, these they are like terms, right? So taking this from here, we're going to have 3 log what? 3 log x. Now, what's the next thing we're going to do now? The next thing we're going to do here is that I will divide both sides by 3. Okay, this will cancel this. Now, if I do that, what do you think will happen? We're going to have log x to be equals 5 all over 3. So now, if log x is 5 over 3, you know that here, this is what? This is base what? This is base 10 here. So now, if you want to take this one to exponential equation, so this will have to raise to this. So to give x. So therefore, x is now going to be 10 raised to the power 5 over 3. So this is the solution to the problem. So you can put this x 10 to the power 5 over 3 back to this. Okay, if I said we should do that because of time, so time will go. Okay, but you can as well do that. I've done it. Are you getting an and is satisfied? So you can also challenge yourself, put the value of x here back to this equation and see whether you are going to get the two sides equal. And that's the end of the class. If you enjoyed this class, please do not hesitate to share to your friends so they can benefit from it. Follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Share, like, and comment. Thank you.